Double-hung window installation in Sanford, Florida is a popular choice for homeowners seeking both functionality and style. With a variety of double-hung window styles available, residents can select the perfect design to complement their home's architecture. Double-hung windows. Sanford services offer a range of options, including custom window solutions and energy-efficient windows, ensuring that every installation meets the specific needs of the homeowner. Energy-efficient windows in Sanford, Florida are essential for reducing energy costs and improving home comfort. By choosing double-hung window upgrades, residents can enhance their home's insulation and reduce their carbon footprint. Window installation services in Sanford provide expert solutions to ensure that every window is properly sealed and insulated, maximizing energy efficiency. Window replacement in Sanford is a seamless process with the help of window installation experts. These professionals offer window design consultation services to help homeowners choose the best double-hung window features for their needs. With a focus on double-hung windows' Sanford efficiency, Sanford FL residents can enjoy improved home performance and aesthetics. Double-hung window replacement in Sanford is a crucial service for maintaining the longevity and functionality of windows. Window maintenance services in Sanford, Florida ensure that all components, from window hardware options to window frame materials, are in optimal condition. Regular double-hung window cleaning and window sealing services in Sanford, Florida help preserve the appearance and performance of windows. Custom window solutions in Sanford FL provide homeowners with the flexibility to choose from a wider range of window glass options and double-hung window sizes. Whether it's a new construction or a renovation project, window installation experts in Sanford can tailor solutions to fit any requirement. Double-hung window brand Sanford offers a variety of choices to suit different preferences and budgets. Double-hung window benefits in Sanford include improved ventilation, easy cleaning, and enhanced curb appeal. With a focus on double-hung window aesthetics, Sanford, Florida homeowners can select from various window frame materials, Sanford FL, to match their home style. Window safety features Sanford FL ensure that every installation provides peace of mind for families. Double-hung window cost Sanford FL is an important consideration for homeowners planning a window replacement project. By working with window installation experts Sanford, residents can receive accurate estimates and a window installation warranty Sanford to protect their investment. Double-hung window features Sanford, Florida are designed to offer long-lasting performance and value. Window design consultation Sanford FL is a valuable service for homeowners looking to enhance their home's appearance and functionality. With a focus on double-hung window styles Sanford, experts can recommend the best options for each unique situation. Window hardware options. Sanford, Florida add the finishing touch to any installation, ensuring both style and security. Double-hung windows Sanford efficiency is a key factor in reducing energy consumption and improving home comfort. By investing in energy-efficient windows Sanford, Florida, homeowners can enjoy lower utility bills and a more sustainable living environment. Window insulation services Sanford provide the expertise needed to achieve optimal performance.